Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 20E, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, all you need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just a home screen as an example for this. And once the content is open and visible, press power key and volume down at the same time. And as you can see, there we go, there is our screenshot. Now, there is also, as you just seen, a scroll option. This is specifically designed for content that can actually be scrolled up and down, like as an example, settings. So I can scroll up and down on here. So you do the same thing right now. So let's try that again. There we go. I can swipe down and this will start scrolling it. Now once you tap on it, it will automatically stop scrolling. Now this is basically Huawei, so it's the trashiest implementation of scrollable screenshot I have seen. Because you basically, once you tap on it, it automatically stops it. And it scrolls a little bit too fast for you to be able to actually control it. So for the people that are trying to use this, what I can recommend you to do is just overshoot the screenshot by some long margin. And then you can simply go into edit and basically size it down to a place that you wanted it to stop at. Because it will be quite hard to actually tap on the screen just at the moment you want to stop, so it's easier just to shoot over to that point and then make it shorter in editing. You can save it, and both of those screenshots that I have captured can be found in the gallery application. As you can see right here, actually 3 of them. So there is the edited one where I cropped it up to accounts. Then there is the unedited one, which goes from the top all the way to the bottom. And then there's just a normal screenshot from the home screen. So anyway, that is how you would capture screenshots on here. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.